On this occasion of Janmashtami, let's delve into the qualities of Sri Krishna. He had many qualities, but today we are going to discuss 7 most important qualities Sri Krishna had. Sri Krishna was very joyful and very playful. He did his leelas with everyone in the village. He had leadership quality and strategic thinking, which is called as Niti and Yukti. He had divine leadership in the form of Sarathi, and he was full of karuna. He had love and compassion for everyone without any discrimination. He had the quality of detachment and selflessness also, which is known as Vairagya. And the most important is universal love and harmony. He had prem for everyone. Have you noticed these qualities in any of the anime characters? When we talk about joy and playfulness, Leela, what all name comes to your mind? If you know Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen, or if you have watched Bungo Stray Dogs, then you know Dazai also. These two characters are very close to the joyfulness and playfulness. They were always so cheering, they were always so humorous with their colleagues, yet they were so intelligent and so calm and composed. Can you know who had the quality of leadership and strategic thinking? What comes to your mind first? Shikamaru from Naruto. He didn't only had intelligence, but he was very good at making strategy to defeat the enemies. And if you have watched Attack on Titan, then you must have seen Aaron Smith, who was also a very calm and composed leader. And his strategic thinking also helped to fight against Titans. Who can you relate when it comes to the role of divine leadership and guidance? Or you can say Sarathi. I guess Jiraiya had these qualities. He was a legendary Sannin and he mentored Naruto not only for war but also the life lessons. There's one more name that comes to mind from Naruto only, and it's Kakashi. Kakashi also had similar qualities. He mentored his students, he provided them wisdom and support, and he was also a leader. What comes to your mind when we talk about love and compassion? Who had the most karuna? When we talk about compassion, then not one, but there are 3 names that are in my mind. If you have watched Demon Slayer, then you know Tanjiro. Tanjiro never discriminated who is good, who is bad, and he never judged based on the past. Sounds familiar? Naruto also had similar qualities. No matter how bad enemy was, he always saw a positive side of that person, pain of that person. And if you have watched Avatar the Last Airbender, then you know the main character Aang. He was also same. He never saw enemy as an enemy. He helped even his enemies to come on the right path. When it comes to detachment and selflessness, when we talk about Vairagya, which name comes to your mind? I think Itachi Uchiha is a perfect example of detachment and selflessness. In order to save the village, to fulfill his duty, he sacrificed everything he had. He was completely detached from his brother and he only focused on his duty, only focused on his dharma. Although these characters are not alive, they are not humans, but these characters are written by humans. So if these characters can show all the qualities of Sri Krishna, why can't we try to imbibe all those qualities within us? Sahaj Yoga meditation helps you to awaken all those qualities within you. Now mind it, we are not promising you that you will be a superhero like these characters, but having these qualities within you will help you to be a hero in your daily life.